I'm on the edge of the property, and straight ahead there's a stop sign, and that's at that corner. Kind of see the barn over there on the right. The property starts there, and it's this thin patch that runs along here and runs all the way around this corner down here. You see this part, we've got planted a small bean field, and then on the back side you see the trees with the kudzu that's grown over. We're about 45, I'm going to expand this out a little bit. We're about 45 miles northeast of Knoxville, and we're within an hour of Seaverville and Pigeon Forge. Not far down the road, like less than 10 minutes, we've got the Cherokee Dam, the lake and the reservoir. Probably less than 5 minutes actually. The road is maintained through here. There is no zoning in this county, and this is not on a flood zone. Even though you've got a dip there, this is high land. And as you can see, we do have the power that comes through here. There are various fees for hookup. It is mobile home ready, to be honest with you. It's you've got water that can be provided here without using a well. And let me step off the road as the car comes through. You can see this part here is a little thicker with the trees, but there you've got the land that's there that you would have to make a drive across the ditch, but this property goes all the way around. You can see where the car just left the scene there. There's a road that breaks up to the right that's called Harvey Morgan. The property continues past that along this side of the road here and down to the next intersection. That's a small road that kind of leads up to a church and a couple other houses. You can see the houses around here are well maintained. We've got one there and back up in there that you can't see real good. But you see the white truck that's up ahead. That's where the property runs to. And then you've got this large patch, approximately an acre, that can be used for a dwelling, whether it's a stick-built house or mobile home, something like that. There could be a drive that comes through here and then leads down in there, or where the truck is that you see center screen. That is a drive that's already crosses over the ditch. There is, you can see the lines there, the power lines. These power lines are low, lower than normal. They're eye level from the road, even though the ground is much lower than that. But you can see across the street, the lines are higher, probably 12 feet maybe at the low point in the power lines. I'm gonna walk down here. The videos can go a little long, I'm sorry, but we do have lots of flat space right here. You may be able to see some of the stakes, some of the orange flags that's like center screen there. Kind of shows the marking of the property, but it does go all the way past where the truck is there. So it's a long, thin stretch all the way down. And I'm gonna show you this last little section here as we come to the intersection here of Harvey Morgan. You can see that's where the power lines are about eye level. You can see the power lines dead center there. So anyway, this is the property, and I'm gonna swing back through.